Good morning to all of you. Today we have discussed about the basic trigonometry. Now, trigonometry is the study of measurement of sides and angles of the triangle. Now we define sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and so on. As the ratio of perpendicular to the hypotenuse is called sin, and it is denoted by sin theta. Now trigonometry is the study of measurement of the side and angle of a triangle. It is also called the trigon. Now, the ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle are defined as the trigonometrical ratio like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Here, ABC is the right angle triangle because one angle has 90 degree, and take this angle theta, this is known as base, and this is perpendicular, and the side in front of 90 degree are known as hypotenuse, so that AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle. This is right angle triangles. Now the ratio of perpendicular to the hypotenuse is called sine of angle theta. The ratio of hypotenuse perpendicular with hypotenuse is called sine of theta, and written as sin theta, that is sin theta equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular divided by hypotenuse and a long rectangle AB by AC, AB by AC. Similarly, the ratio of the base to the hypotenuse is called cosine of the angle theta, and written as cosine theta, that is a cos theta. That cos theta is base by hypotenuse, BC by AC, that is known as cos theta. And the ratio of perpendicular to the base, is known as tangent of the angle theta, and that is written as tan theta equal to perpendicular divided by base, AB by BC. Now, similarly, cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. It means that the ratio of base with respect to perpendicular is called cotangent of the angle theta, that is written as cot theta. This is cot theta equal to base by perpendicular. It is reciprocal of this perpendicular by base this is base by perpendicular, base by perpendicular, BC by AB. And next ratio, the ratio of hypotenuse to the base is called secant of the angle theta, that is written as sec theta. It is reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse, but here this is hypotenuse by base, hypotenuse by base. It means that AC by BC, that is known as sec theta. It means that tan is reciprocal of cos and cos is reciprocal of sec, and similarly sin is reciprocal of cosec. Now here the ratio of hypotenuse to the perpendicular is called cosine of the angle theta, that is written as cosec theta. It is reciprocal of sin theta. It means that we see that these three relations, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, and sec theta, these are the ratio of sides of triangles, and with the help of this we observe some result like here. Now written in note, the above 6 trigonometrical ratios are called trigonometrical functions or circular functions. It is known as sin, cos, tan are known as trigonometrical functions or circular functions, and each trigonometrical ratio, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta, depend on the magnitude of angle made by the hypotenuse and base. Hypotenuse and base के बीच जो एंगल बनता है उसी पर जो है यह रेशियो निर्भर करता है. It means that trigonometrical ratio only depend on the angle between hypotenuse and base, not depend on the length of this. Length पर निर्भर नहीं करता है. And another result, by above result, we see that sin theta equal to P by H, cos theta equal to B by H, tan theta equal to P by B, cot theta equal to B by P, sec theta equal to H by B, and cosec theta equal to H by P. H by P, these results are seen in the above 6 articles. Now here sin theta and cosec theta, that is P by H and H by P, it means that this is reciprocal to H other. Sin theta equal to P by H, it means that 1 by this here, 1 by cosec theta, This is also written sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, and tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. It can also be proved like here. Now, first of all, sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Now, from left hand side, that is sin theta. Sin theta can be written as P by H. P by H. It also be written as 1 by H by P, and H by P equal to what? H by cosec theta. This can be written as 1 by cosec theta. It means that sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta is right hand side. Now similarly, we can also see that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, left hand side. Left hand side, tan theta means perpendicular to base P by B. It can also be written as P by H and B by H. P by H means P by H means sin theta, or P by H means cos theta. This is also written as sin theta by cos theta. This is right hand side. With the help of this, we can prove these results, and also we get another result like this, which multiply this sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1, cos theta into sec theta, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. We can, this result also be obtained with the help of these relations. Now, trigonometrical identity. Here, identity and equations. What is difference between identity and equations? All the algebraic formula are trigonometric relations. Almost identity because it is satisfied for the all value of variable quantity, whereas equations only satisfied for the fixed value. Now here a statement involving one or more variables is said to be an identity if the statement is true for all values of the variable involved. The statement x minus 2x minus 3 equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 is an identity, whereas the statement x minus 2x minus 3 x square minus 7x plus 12 is only an equation with the solution x is equal to 3. If we put x is equal to 3 in this case, that becomes 0, and this is true only for value of x is equal to 3. But here it is, we take the value of x different for all values. This identity is this relation is true, so that it is known as identity. Like this, a plus b to the power 2 equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is also an algebraic formula, and if we take the value of a and b different and put in these relations, both sides are equals, it means that it is true for all value of a and b, so this is an identity. Like now Pythagorean identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. This is Pythagorean identity. These three relations are known as Pythagorean identity. With the help of this identity, we get different formula like sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here, if we change the side of this, imply that sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. If this change this, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and so on. And this, with the help of this, we get these relations and use this to solve the problem. Like this, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. If this comes here, 1 equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. If this change here, this change here, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. If this comes here, tan square theta here minus sec square theta equal to minus 1. Similarly, 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Change this side cosec square theta minus 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, because this change here equal to 1, or if this kind here cot square theta minus cosec square theta, cot square theta minus cosec square theta equal to minus 1. So with the help of this Pythagorean identity, we get different result and use this in solve the problems. And now we study about the trigonometry ratio of complementary angle and supplementary angles. Now, trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of them are 90 degrees. Then one angle is said to be complement of others, and if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then each angle is said to be supplement of other angles. For example, we take complement of 30 degree, that is, we obtain to subtract 90 degree minus 30 degree, that is 60 degree, because sum of two angles will be 90 degree. This and this will be 90 degree. Complement of 75 degree equal to 90 degree minus 75 degree, that is 50 degree. Complement of 50 degree, that is also get 90 degree minus 50 degree, that is 40 degree. Complement of AX degree, that is also get 90 degree minus AX degree. This is complement of X degree. Similar sense, supplementary angles of 60 degree, we get 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is 120 degree, because sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Similarly, supplement of supplement of 150 degree, that is also given 180 minus 150 equal to 30 degree, and supplement of y degree, that is also given. We subtract 180 degree minus y degree. Similarly, we calculate the complementary angles and supplementary angles. Now we just study about sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta. Now we solve some problems. Now प्रूव द फॉलोइंग आइडेंटिटी, इसको सिद्ध करना है। पहला प्रश्न है tan स्क्वायर फाई माइनस साइन स्क्वायर फाई इक्वल टू tan स्क्वायर फाई एंड साइन स्क्वायर। दिस इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड दिस इज राइट हैंड साइड। We take left hand side, then to show that right hand side. If we take right hand side to show the left hand side, and sometimes for such type of problems, some step to solve the left hand side and some step to solve the right hand side, and after that both sides are coincide each other so that we gain our result. Now this from left hand side tan square phi minus sin square phi. Now first of all simply we change the tan cos sec cosec is sin cos, and after solving we get our result. Here we have tan theta equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. We have studied sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, or sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. Just study before it. Tan theta equal to sin by cos square है तो sin square theta बटे divided by cos square theta and minus sin square theta. Now we take लघुत्तम LCM cos square theta here, sin square theta, sin square, this is here, this is also in phi, so that we take in the questions phi, this is phi, this is also phi, this is phi, and this is phi. Sin square phi, and here sin square phi into cos square phi. We take this sin square phi common, sin square phi, here 1 minus here cos square phi, that is divided by cos square phi, here sin square phi into 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, therefore sin square phi divided by cos square phi, sin square phi and cos square phi is equal to tan square phi into sin square phi. Tan square phi into sin square phi. This is right hand side proved. Now, in similar sense, second questions, just we have second problem, sec square theta plus cosec square theta equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. We see this problem. Now from left hand side, sec square theta plus cosec square theta. First of all, we change this in sin and cos. Sec is the reciprocal of cos, cosec is the reciprocal of sin, so that sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta and cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. This is identity to use here. Sec square theta equal to 1 by cos square theta, और cosec square theta 1 by sin square theta. We take लघुत्तम LCM sin square theta into cos square theta, this divide this comes here, sin square theta, this cancel, this here. Now as you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta is plus cos square theta are what? 1. This can be written as 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. This can also be separate 1 by sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta, and 1 by sin square theta equal to cosec square theta. This is and this is sec square theta, and this result is sec square theta cosec square theta. This is right hand side root. Now in the similar things we solve. Now solve the question number 3 and 4 himself, and like and subscribe videos and share with your friend. Thank you.